I started a brand new Chrome extension, pushed an update to a Python library, and solved a LeetCode problem that's all about strategic deletion. It was a busy day, let's break it down. This is day 58 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. I'm pretty excited about this one. It's a simple quality of life improvement, but it's something I've wanted for a while. It's always fun to start something fresh. It was a day of touching a lot of different codebases, which is a great way to switch contexts and keep things interesting. The main goal of this library is to make it easy to script interactions with web-based AI tools that don't have a public API. I spent some time today polishing it up. This kind of robust error handling is super important for GUI automation, since things don't always happen instantaneously. This project is built with Next.js, and I'm slowly adding features to make it a really useful tool for language learning. Getting the text-to-speech just right is a key part of that. Alright, with the project work done, it was time to solve a LeetCode problem. Today's was 3085, minimum deletions to make string k special. As always, spoiler alert for the solution. The goal is simple. Take a string and a number k, and find the minimum characters to delete, so that for any 2 characters left, the difference in their frequencies is k or less. Here's the Python solution I came up with. The approach first calculates the frequency of every character using a hash map. The core strategy is to then iterate through each of these unique frequencies, treating each one as a potential minimum frequency for our final k special string. For each potential minimum, we calculate the total deletions needed. Characters with frequencies below this minimum are removed completely, and characters with frequencies above the minimum plus k are trimmed down to that upper limit. Finally, the algorithm just returns the smallest number of deletions found. The time complexity is order c squared, where c is the number of unique characters, and space is order c. And that's a wrap for day 58. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, a like and subscribe would be amazing. Let me know in the comments if you've ever built a Chrome extension. You can also support the channel and my boba addiction over at buymeaboba.com, link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.